This is one of the best videos you can invest your time in before purchasing any subscription for AI for your daily business. People often ask me two questions more than anything else. Number one, what AI tools do I actually use? And number two, how much do they actually cost? That means how much do I spend? Today, I'm answering both completely, honestly, my full AI toolkit, every tool, what I use it for, what I pay, what I would cut off if I have to, and the one tool I would keep if I could only keep one. No sponsorship in this video, no affiliate links in this video, just me, my actual subscriptions, and my actual opinions, including the tools that disappointed me and the ones I almost quit, but I didn't. Let's start with the one I would never give up. I call them the tier one, the non-negotiables. The first one is Claude from Jasper. The Pro plan monthly costs me $20 per month. That's about 32,000 naira in Nigeria. Claude is my primary thinking partner, not just a writing tool, actually. A thinking partner. The difference matters. When I'm stuck on a strategy, when I need to pressure test an idea, when I have a difficult client situation and I need to think through it carefully, I use Claude. Claude is where I go. The long-form writing proposals, strategy, scripts, reports, all starts in Claude. The document analysis, how do I do that? I upload client briefs, the contracts, sometimes competitor materials, and Claude is smart. It reads it and responds. It has complex reasoning. For example, when a problem has multiple angles and dimensions and I need it structured, I need a structured thinking, it helps me. Then voice calibration, I train it on my writing samples the way I write. It gets closer to my style than any other tool if I could keep one AI tool. And that's it. Not because it is perfect, but because it makes me think better, and thinking better is the highest leverage skill in business. You have to believe that. Then tool number two, ChatGPT. You should know that. The Plus plan monthly costs $20 to about 32,000 naira. ChatGPT is, they have similar values, but they are different. ChatGPT is fast and it's for quick tasks, and it has a simple creative format and a lot of ecosystem for plugins. Quick ideation and brainstorming. Maybe I want 20 ideas in 60 seconds. It writes it. There's short content like tweets, WhatsApp messages, short captions, daily image generation built in, all of that. Rough concept visuals for client presentations. I do all of that. Then data analysis with the advanced data analysis tool. Upload a spreadsheet, ask questions. That's what I do with it. That's the honest assessment. And if I have to cut one of those two, I'll cut ChatGPT actually, because close reasoning depth is more valuable to me. But if you are starting out and only choosing one, ChatGPT is good for you. It's simple to use. The familiarity, the ecosystem, like I said, you can plug in many tools into it, many apps. Then tool number three, make.com. The core plan monthly is at $9. That's about 14,500. It's a tool that makes my AI work together automatically. It connects everything. The late comes in, make.com moves it through my system. Invoice goes overdue, make.com sends the reminder sequence. Then new content gets uploaded. Make.com triggers the distribution workflow. It makes it very easy for me to distribute my messages and make everything work. It's like an infrastructure for me. Everything is intelligence, but make.com is an infrastructure that makes it work, I don't like doing tasks that can be automatically done manually. That's the problem. Then the tier two for the tools, I call them the specialists. That is, the first one is Perplexity AI. The Pro plan is $20 and 32,000 naira in Nigeria. It's for research too, and it is prompt and understanding. It's not like ChatGPT. ChatGPT can hallucinate and give you complex ideas from different sources that are not real. But in Perplexity, I know where the information comes from exactly. Real verifiable sources and market data, industry statistics for client proposals. What is happening right now in the industry, the right questions to ask, news monitoring for clients in specific sectors. If you are using ChatGPT for research, please stop. It uses caches and memories and things that have been stored data and gives you an output. But Perplexity give you real-time information. Then I have ElevenLabs. That is about 8,000 per month. That's about $5, I guess. So it's my voice content partner to make media, audio, for content, for advert. It's even better than most voiceover you contract out on Fiverr or all those platforms. It is professional. The narration is crisp and very good. But you have to go for the commercial plan because the free plan does not give you a commercial use right. Because imagine you have done a lot of video, you want to use it online and they are telling you can't use it. Then Canva. The pro plan is $15, which is about 24,000 naira in my own naira. It's background removal, image generation, the magic touches. It genuinely improves my design output and speed. I'm not a designer, but with Canva AI, I produce client presentable visuals and materials without hiring a designer for every project. For serious brand design work, I still hire human designers, but Canva AI handles everything else. Now, the tier 3, those are the experimental apps I use to just check and see what is really going on. For the ones I tried and stopped using, transparency means a lot when we are talking here. For example, Jasper AI is specialized in AI writing, is a writing tool too, but it's more expensive than ChatGPT and Claude. So I wonder, and the output is not justifying the price difference, So I had to quit it because ChatGPT and Claude gives me better results at a lower cost. So I canceled it after using it for 2 months. So Copy.ai too, similar story, is designed for marketing copy. For short form content, it works. But it felt redundant once I get serious about prompt engineering and Claude, I want to do big things. It then doesn't understand what I'm doing. So it made no sense. The tool I'm watching very closely is Google Gemini. Google Gemini has a lot of apps that you can use, and the integration with Google Workspace is excellent. The docs, the sheets, Gmail, and all of that. It's genuinely useful for teams or MD living in Google products. But I'm not ready to make it my primary tool because I'm watching it closely. The lesson I've learned is that more tools does not mean more productivity. I am a tool person. I want to use everything. The minimum number of tools that cover maximum capability is what you should go for. You don't want to waste your money and create decision fatigue. So the full cost breakdown for me, everything I use per month: Claude Pro, $20, ChatGPT Plus, $20, Make.com, $9, Perplexity AI Pro, $20, ElevenLabs Starter, $5, then Canva Pro, $15. Everything is $9 per month, approximately 143,000 naira in Nigeria per month for complete AI business start. It's not really bad. Consider what that replaces: a full-time copywriter, a part-time designer, a research assistant, an admin support person, an automation developer. The equivalent human team would cost me about 10 to 20 times that amount per month. If you are starting out and budget is tight and you can't even spend what I'm spending, I'll tell you to start with Claude Pro at $20, then Make.com, the free plan. Then Perplexity 2 has a free plan, and that is $20 per month. All of these things will cover about 60 to 70% of what you need, at least for now. If you ask me if I could only keep one tool, one subscription, everything else gone. Not because it does most of the thing, but because it makes me think better. In business, the quality of your thinking, like I said earlier, is the quality of your outcome. Claude is number one. It challenges my assumptions, helps me see angles I missed, and produces work that reflects serious thoughts. Trust me, not just fast output. Speed is not the goal. Sometimes quality thinking at good speed is the goal. That is what Claude gives me. So if this breakdown helped you, share it with one business owner who still wonder where to start. That share costs you nothing and might genuinely change how they work. Subscribe and like as I prepare something big, interesting for you this week. Go and build something. Go and use something. Get confident with AI. Don't be left behind. Like and subscribe. Thank you.